transformation of sentences, how we can transform sentences. So to start with, children, I'm sure that you all know what a sentence is. A sentence is a group of words which make sense. When we give simple statements like, I like mangoes, Rahul is my best friend, Mumbai is a big city. These are simple statements. We call them declarative or assertive statements. But if I say, do you like Mumbai? Does she like you? Do they like to play cricket? Here, we have asked a question. So these are interrogative sentences. Now let me tell you how to transform a statement into a question. She, if I write, she likes her. And now if we need to change this statement into a question, we will write, does she like her? Does she like her? So this is an interrogative sentence which ends with a question mark. Now the second sentence is, I have 3 dogs. And if we need to change this statement into a question, we will write, do you have 3 dogs? So now the statement she likes her has changed into a question as, does she like her? And it ends with a question mark. In the second sentence, I have 3 dogs, we have changed it into a question and it is, do you have 3 dogs? And it also ends with a question. Now, there's one very important thing for each one of you to remember. There's a rule to follow. Let me tell you what's that rule. You know, children, these small things are very important to keep in mind when it comes to English language. Okay. Okay, let me write, Sahil loves reading books. Now if I need to change this statement into a question, what should I write? Tell me. Should I write, does Sahil loves reading books? Or should I write, does Sahil love Okay, so tell me which one is correct. Yes, kids, you guessed it right. The second one is correct and the first one is wrong, because when we convert a statement into a question with does, we cannot add s or es with the verb. We have to use the first form of the verb. Let me give you one more example. When it comes to past tense, things are a little different. We played chess. Now, if I have to change this statement into a question, should I write, did we play chess? Or it should be, did we play chess. Tell me which one is more appropriate, or which one is correct rather. The second one is correct because we cannot and we shouldn't use the second form of the verb with did. It has to be first form of the verb. So always remember, when you are transforming a statement into a question with does, you cannot add s or es with the verb, and with did also you cannot use the second form of the verb. It should be the first form of the verb. Now, one more thing to keep in mind. Let me tell you how to transform a question into a statement. Did you behave? Did you behave properly? And if that's the question, what should be your answer? Yes, you said it right. The answer should be I behaved properly. And children, I'm sure you must have observed here that while answering this question or while converting this question into a statement, since did was there, we used the second form of the verb. One more example. Does she cook? And if we change this question into a statement, the answer will be she cooks. If you write she cook, this will be like absolutely wrong. So I'm sure by now you all must have learned that while transforming statements into questions, we need to keep in mind few things. First thing is, with do, does and did, you have to use the first form of the verb while converting a statement into question. And the same rule goes for transforming a question into statement. If a question starts from did, then in answer you have to use the second form of the verb. If a question starts from does, then while transforming it into a statement, you need to add s or es with the verb. And in case the question starts with do, then you just have to use the first form of the verb. So I'm sure now all the rules are very, very clear. Do keep all the rules in mind while transforming statements into questions and questions into statements. Have a great day. Happy learning.